Accounts from incomplete records. Now students, some authors actually use the term single entry system for this concept, that is single entry system. Now remember, this word is actually a misnomer for this, that is there is no such system as single entry system. It is not a replacement of a double entry system in which every transaction has two effects. What we mean by incomplete records is that only an incomplete record of the transactions is made. This system is maintained by people who are not expert in accounting. So they actually end up recording only one or incomplete part of a transaction. So usually in this system, the cash account, the personal accounts, that is mainly of debtors and creditors are maintained properly, but rest, that is assets, revenue, losses, they are not maintained in a proper manner. So this system, since it does not record transactions in a complete manner, hence it is referred to as accounting from incomplete records. Now coming to features of this system. What are the features of this system? First of all, it is a disorganized system. It is not an organized field of knowledge. So, not an organized field or organized system. Then, obviously, it is an incomplete system. So, incomplete records are there. Hence, profit cannot be calculated correctly. Profits cannot be calculated correctly. Then, coming to the third feature, that is, in this system, usually cash account and personal accounts are maintained. And usually there is either no recording or an incomplete recording of assets and liabilities apart from liabilities which are covered under personal accounts, that is creditors. Then transactions of owners. Transactions of owners are mixed with business transactions. So that means a single entry system or an incomplete record system does not pay heed to what we call as business entity concept. That is, the owner is not considered separate. Since they are maintained by people who are not trained, so the transactions of the owners can also be mixed with business transactions and are usually found that way. So now students, incomplete record means a system of accounting in which records are not maintained in a proper manner. That is, some records might be maintained using double entry system, whereas in case of other transactions only one aspect, either the debit or the credit, is recorded. Usually in this system, cash account and personal accounts are maintained properly, whereas the other accounts are not recorded or are recorded in an incomplete manner. Coming to features, it is an unorganized system. It does not record complete transactions, hence profits cannot be calculated correctly. Only cash and personal accounts are maintained properly, and very often you will find the transactions or entries related to owners being mixed with the business transactions.